Mr. Mayor, Mr. McKinley is here, and he has someone with him.
Hosam Ali.
I'm sorry?
My name, it's not someone, it's Hosam Ali.
Okay. The mayor's waiting for you.
Bennett, I'd like to introduce you to Hosam Ali.
Have a seat, gentlemen.
Bennett, you know why we're here. The people above want this to end, and I think I know this is the best way.
I know. I'm just not convinced that Mr. Hosam Ali is our solution here. No disrespect meant, Mr. Ali.
Call me Hosam.
Okay, Hosam. Even though Paul here swears by you saving his life and all that, the claim on mine in your situation, I get it. Oh, I get it. But is it bigger than that? Way bigger.
I'm not here to explain myself, sir.
I'm not asking you to.
Gentlemen, before we get off on a tangent, remember FBI, Homeland Security, and Interpol all know that we need someone with Hossam's expertise.
He's one guy. This isn't a movie. We're dealing with a very highly sophisticated situation here, pal.
Bennett, this comes from people above.
Paul, do not ever forget this again. This is still my city.
Mayor, your son is in the hallway.
He's in town. Excuse me, I'll be just a minute.
Take your time.
I'll be back.
McKinley, I'm not ready for this. He doesn't like me much.
Be cool. It'll be all right.
I'm not ready for this.
All things in all time.
I couldn't save him.
Well, if you couldn't save him, no one could, because you're the best.
Not that day. That day I lost.
Hosam, I don't talk about the ones I lost. I know what you're going through.
You never mentioned that.
I don't talk about it. Because if I talk about it, I mean then I'll start to think about it. And I'll question it. And that will create doubt.
I don't know. Being quiet will help.
Being quiet isn't the point, Hosam. The point is knowing you are the best and that you averted a larger tragedy. Look, in war, Hosam, you and I are going to lose our friends in battle. But there's a greater danger. This Omar, he's here to make us lose not just the battle, but the war. And he will kill every one of us to make that happen. So stay the course. Got it? Bennett.
My son's in town. There has been another tragedy at the hands of this maniac. I realize I need all the expertise I can get. Okay, Mr. Hosam Ali McKinley?